I saw a post Humera from Sajid from the internet for another inspiring reason. She said motivation is never too late when it comes to our country.
Assalamu alaikum and a very warm good morning to all. Respected chief of this event, honorable chief guest, respected chairman Mr. Hudai sir, principal Ifran Naz ma'am, all teachers and my dear friends. Happy Independence Day to all. Today we are celebrating not just a date but a spirit, the spirit of freedom, unity and sacrifices. On this day, in 1947, India woke up to a new dawn. But freedom did not come easy. It was earned with the sweat, tears, and blood of countless heroes. Let's not treat Independence Day as just another holiday. Let it remind us to be responsible citizens, to speak kindly, act fairly, and uplift one another. Because real patriotism is not about flags and slogans alone. It's about actions that make our country proud every day. Thank you, Jai Hind.